So we are on the A63 Castle Street project in Hull. The J2B electric mini diggers on site are currently powered through the use of the Prolectric's ProPower solar generator, which is currently on the project. We have utilised this generator due to not having mains power, so we needed to provide some temporary power solution to enable us to charge up the electric mini diggers. The Prolectric power generator that we have had on site has enabled us to reduce our carbon output by 25 tonnes at a rough cost saving in fuel of £4,500, whilst operating around 81% runtime purely on the solar power generated throughout the daytime. There are multiple benefits to using these electric diggers within the tent. One of the focus being the health of the archaeologists working around the mini excavators. Because they are working within the tent, we needed to ensure that the air quality was optimal to ensure the safe working. Traditional machines of that size would go through around 1 gallon of diesel per hour, which these electric mini diggers run off solar power. Sustainability is important to Balfour Beatty and the A63 to ensure that we can assist in the journey to achieving the Balfour Beatty strategy of beyond net zero carbon. We can do so through the reduction and the elimination of the carbonised plants and vehicles on site, which we've so far done through the use of the solar hybrid generators, the electric mini excavators, solar tower lights and electric vehicles.